Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. Thank you for showing me. Is there one you can tell me info real quick?
If it ain't rectified, it ain't justified.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Name's Billy Williams. This is a 2000 Jetta that I built over the last couple of years. It's got 3 Scar Audio TVX 15s on a Cosmos Audio 6K at the current time. All Cosmos Audio components, mids and highs, on 2 SSL Audio 400As.
Yes, sir.
Running all the doors.
Nice. And where's your amp at? Like your amp stage?
Amps on the backs of both boxes on each side.
Oh, okay. Can I see it real quick, if that's all right?
Open the doors.
Here. Nice. Wow, you really built into this vehicle.
Yes. Everything is built into the car. It's hidden anywhere and everywhere it can be hidden.
Wow. That's really optimized space to fit that much cone pressure right there. Wow. It's really good. Whew. Wow. Looks really good. Thank you for showing me.
Hey, not a problem.
I do a lot of videos, so.
Yeah, you got my car last time.
I did? Okay.
My other car that I had TDH.
TDH, okay, yep. I just do a lot of builds. It's hard to remember. Hey, this is Jacob Vile, so just wanted to do a quick commentary before we get to the actual car audio bass demo. Just want to say thank you everybody for watching. Be sure to give Billy a thumbs up. Really awesome 3 15-inch subwoofer build in his Jetta. Really tight space fit. And check out the brace he has here. Did a really good job of adding that brace in there to help make sure the windshield doesn't blow for how loud it is. As well as on the side panel here, I got to look into it, see how he actually optimized his space, building into the vehicle to get the most space possible for his system. And a really nice amp stage rack there with extra space in the trunk. That way he has room to be able to fit anything he carries on with him instead of just having only the system. And also 3 15s. 3 15s fit inside of this space, so probably would be better with 2, but he made it work with 3 because he built it into the vehicle. Very unique system. So let's go ahead and get to the bass demo. Wow. Did you dial your port in yet to what was more optimal?
Right now we got tuned about 35 hertz.
35? Okay. Got it. Nice. Looks good. Hey, y'all have a good day.
Something about being by myself. I should be working 9 to 5 in my hometown by the sea. I dropped out, made all of these ends, and now I'm living the dream.
Somebody like the city, taking it up. Somebody taking everything about
don't wanna hold it. I've got a 27 years, came back to life, OMG. I should be working 9 to 5 in my hometown by the sea. I dropped out, made all of these M's, and now I'm living my dream.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.